Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the $1,000,000 Challenge. So in today's video, we are going to do my Tesla update. This is where I update you on some of the recent things that's going on with Tesla stock. And at the same time, I update you on how my investment with Tesla is going. So I have a theme on Tesla. Basically, what I'm doing is I invest $30 every day. So dollar cost average $30 every day into the Tesla stock, and I share that with you on these updates over a long period of time. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to check up on all of those things. In addition, we are going to look at the drone footage from Giga Berlin, and we're also going to look at their competitor Chrysler GM. We're going to look at their factory. So we're going to look at Tesla's new factory as compared to Chrysler's factory. I'm going to do that in today's video. We're also going to take a look at Tesla's production numbers. They released their production numbers today. We're going to also take a look at that in today's video. So stay tuned. Today's video is going to be packed with lots of great, helpful information as to why Tesla is still the next Tesla to invest in. Currently, I'm not investing aggressively in any other EV company apart from Tesla, because Tesla is currently still the best EV company to invest in. I don't really believe in all the other ones. I know they're going to come up, but they need to go through everything that Tesla has gone through in the past 10 years for me to be comfortable to invest in them at that point. Tesla, to me personally, is still the best investment in the EV segment, period. So let's get into today's video. So the very first thing that we're going to get into is the Tesla production numbers. You guys see right here, Tesla produced a whole lot of cars this quarter. Okay, they were able to produce 305,407 vehicles. Great job from the Tesla team. Remember, this is the first quarter. They had to deal with a lot of things during the past 3 months. We're still dealing with high gas price. We're still dealing with factories being shut down. For a good part of the quarter, the factory was shut down in China because they're still dealing with the Rona. So they're dealing with all that stuff. But all in all, they were able to produce over 300,000 vehicles, and they delivered over 310,000 vehicles. And this is a 4% increase from the previous quarter. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. And they also announced that they are going to do their Q1 shareholder call. So I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be on the 20th of this month. It's pretty cool. And it's going to be around 4:30 Central, 5:30 Eastern. And we're going to get that on their website. Now, I do an update on that. So I'm going to be breaking that call down, into chunks and adding my opinions to it. So stay tuned for that. Those videos are going to come along. So yeah, the production numbers is good. Everything looks good on this side. Let's move on to the next thing that I want to share with you. So first and first, we are going to talk about my Tesla stock holding now. And anytime I talk about numbers, I always like to give a little disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. Very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor. All I do on this YouTube channel is to share with you what I'm doing with my money. So this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. It's for information purposes. It's for education purposes. So, do what you think is right for your finances. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing with mine. So please, this is not financial advice. Read the disclaimer below. So yeah, this is the portfolio here. This is my Tesla stock holding. Now, currently, this is what we have. We have $30,600 in the stock portfolio. I've been doing this. I've been recording this and sharing this with you guys ever since I started this particular side of the portfolio, which I do a theme of $30 a day. I invest $30 every day, Monday to Friday, into Tesla stock, and once in a while when I do this update, I share with you what's going on with the stock and everything like that. So let's look at the performance of the portfolio, all throughout its lifetime. So if we look at one day here, the portfolio has gone up. Tesla has seen an incredible run actually in the past, month or so. It's been quite amazing. It went from 700 to getting close to, over 1,000 right now. So it's pretty big. Well, okay. So for the week, the portfolio gained $2,000. It's up 7%, and for the month, it's again 6,000 is up 25% in the past month. 25%. Tesla stock, you have to be willing to take the volatility. It's a very, very volatile stock, and you just have to hold on to it when it's going down. You see, it's gone up 25% in 1 month. That's a very volatile stock. Well, let's look at Q1. So for the past 3 months, it has gained $1,000 in total, and it's up 4% in the past few months. And the past year for me, it's gained close to 9,300, and 67% gain for me in the past year. And all time, it's gained almost 13 grand to 12,600, and 232% gain. This is mind blowing. I just wish I had a lot of money to be able to put into Tesla like aggressively, but I think compounding $30 a day into it over a long period of time will still grow very, very massively. I believe over a long period of time, 10, 15, maybe even 20 years, this would be maybe thousands of percentage over a long period of time. But anyways, so this is what we currently have, and let's see how Tesla stock is doing right now. Before we do that, really quickly, let's take a look at the current share count that we have. 28 shares. Now Tesla is looking to split their stock. In the future, they're gonna have shareholders vote on it. I'm gonna vote for the very first time that they should split the stock, because I think it's gonna help the stock even grow more in the future. Because if they split it, it will be affordable for most people to buy. People look at $1,000 share. People just like, whoa, it's expensive. It's $1,000. But if it's 100, people might get a share or two, which will bring more investors into the stock. So that's a good thing. But anyways, 28 shares and counting, almost 30. We're hitting that 30 real soon. But 28 shares cost 17,000. The average price, my average price is $316 for each and every single share, and I own 28.27 shares. Amazing. We're looking good. So if you take a look at the stock price, so we take a quick look at Tesla stock price. It's currently at $1,000. So you guys see that Tesla stock is doing very, very well. The portfolio is looking good. The investment that I'm doing, the strategy that I'm doing, it's working for me. The investment strategy is working for me, and I'm going to keep on doing this for a long period of time, because I think Tesla stock is one of the most important stocks that anybody has to own. My opinion only. I'm talking my opinion. But I think if you're alive today and you do a little research, you would notice and come to the conclusion that Tesla is the most important piece of stock that we all should own if you want to change your future and you want to be wealthy in the future. Because I personally believe Tesla will be like a multi-trillion-dollar company in the future based on the things that they're doing now. Tesla as a company is like 12 companies in one company. 12 valuable company, or like even now, I'm sure they've probably even grown. But the last time I really looked at all their operations, it's like 12 company in one company. So I don't own enough of Tesla shares. I'm going to own a lot more, and I'm going to keep on doing my thing, $30 a day into the stock. So what we're going to do now is we are going to look at the full video of Giga Berlin. And what we're going to do is we're going to compare it to their competitor, Chrysler. Okay, I'm going to share this video with you guys. I think it's an important video that you need to watch the whole thing so you can see the breadth of how Tesla is as a company and how they are with their competitor, because it's night and day. Basically, Tesla is the leader and everybody is just trying to survive. And you know, this video illustrated it all. So let's get right into it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to watch this video really quickly. This is Tesla's Giga Berlin factory. Just look at the whole operation. I'm not going to interrupt. I just want to show you the factory so you see what Tesla is working with in Giga Berlin. And they're doing the same thing in Texas. Okay. But this is the factory, the new factory in Germany. Let's watch the process. Let's watch everything. Just take your time, soak in the information. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Just think about all that operations, right? Just look at it. Think about it. This is how Tesla is moving. This is how they do their own thing. Now, let's take a look at the next one, which is Chrysler. We're going to take a look at how Chrysler is producing their own EV and everything like that. Let's take a look at that. So this is Chrysler's EV production. I'm going to play this for you in a second. This is their EV production plant, what they have on YouTube. And I'm going to share with you how their factory operates as compared to Tesla. Okay, I'm bored. I don't want to. I don't want to bore you with this with the full video. It's quite boring. I know. Yeah, I know they didn't add, the music that Tesla added in the background of the video or whatnot. But just take a look at the operations. Very slow, very sluggish. The robots are moving very slowly. Like, man, let's just keep it pushing. So for me personally, I'm very excited about Tesla's future. Like right now, the demand is off the roof. If you check to see online, if you're trying to order a Tesla right now, it's gonna take like 6 months to a year to still get the car, right? Granted, we have all these issues with, that we're dealing with in the world right now. War, gas, chip shortage, and all these things. But all that stuff is still gonna pass. But Tesla as a company, they're managing through this, and they're gonna manage through it. The factory is coming up. Now they're gonna have, for this year, they're gonna have 4 factory fully operating. They have 2 that they're trying to get to full operations. Like the excitement when it comes to EV is still in Tesla. I know there's Lucid, there's Rivian, there's a lot of exciting little guys coming up. But for me as an investor, I want to put my money where it's the safest. That's what I want to do. I strongly believe Tesla is going to conquer AI. They have the Tesla bot that is coming. They have the self-driving. They have solar panel. They have grid utility. All these businesses are still in their infancy. They're still a baby. Probably even still incubating in the womb right now. That's how I look at Tesla's business. It hasn't even been born yet. And they have all these businesses that they're doing. So for me, Tesla is still the next EV company to invest in as of right now. Okay, so I'm excited about the company. I hope you do as well. And I hope you find value in today's video. So yeah, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subs this year. So please do your part and just give me a sub. It's free. I appreciate you. Maybe you might learn a thing or two. Check out all the other things that I'm up to. I think this channel, it's a real channel. I don't post content based on hot stuff. I post content that it's real, it's relatable, it's the actual thing. Like today's video, you can see that their new factory, Tesla's new factory in Berlin, that's real. You have this Chrysler's factory. You have my stock that I just shared with you. I do Turo, I do all these things, and I share with you how those are going. So please subscribe to the channel. I think there's a lot of value that you can learn from all the things that I'm doing, and it's out here to serve you, and it's for free. So give me a sub. Appreciate you. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.
Louisa.